In the dynamic landscape of industrial manufacturing, where machines and processes have traditionally defined the boundaries of productivity, a new era is dawning. The relentless march of technology has brought forth the era of digitization, propelling the industry into uncharted territories of efficiency, connectivity, and innovation. As the gears of progress turn, however, a formidable challenge looms large: cybersecurity. As manufacturers embrace the promises of digitization and leverage cutting-edge technologies, the industrial Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and automation, the potential for transformative growth is undeniable. But with each new advancement, the boundaries of vulnerability expand. The convergence of physical machinery with digital systems creates a web of interconnectedness, weaving both opportunity and risk into the fabric of industrial operations. So, let's pause for a moment and think, what does this mean for the security of industrial manufacturing infrastructure? How can we safeguard our interconnected systems in the face of emerging threats? These pressing questions demand our attention as we navigate the intricate landscape of cybersecurity in the era of industrial manufacturing digitization. While digitization unlocks new levels of productivity and unlocks untapped potentials, it also exposes manufacturers to an array of risks. Therefore, it becomes imperative to establish a robust cybersecurity posture, underpinned by a deep understanding of the challenges that lie ahead. Contemplating the intricacies of securing interconnected systems while striking a harmonious balance between the operational efficiency and resilience. Let's look into the uncharted territories of cybersecurity challenges and unlock the keys to the secure and thriving industrial digitization. So, the number one cybersecurity challenge manufacturers seeking digitization face is ever-present threat of data breaches. As industrial processes become increasingly connected and data-driven, the potential for sensitive information to fall into the wrong hands escalates. Protecting intellectual property, proprietary designs, customer data, and other critical information becomes paramount in the digital era. But that's not the only challenge on the horizon. Manufacturers must grapple with the complexity of securing interconnected systems. The convergence of physical machinery with digital networks creates a vast attack surface, making implementing robust measures to safeguard against potential intrusions is crucial. Additionally, the rise of the industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, brings forth its own set of cybersecurity concerns. With a plethora of interconnected devices and sensors, each presenting potential entry points for cyber threats. Ensuring the integrity and credentiality of data transmissions becomes an ongoing battle. Moreover, as automation and artificial intelligence gain prominence in industrial manufacturing, the challenge of protecting these advanced technologies from unauthorized access or manipulation looms large. Safeguarding control systems and algorithms becomes essential to prevent disruptions or compromises that could have far-reaching consequences. Furthermore, the increasing sophistication of cyber threats adds another layer of complexity to the cybersecurity landscape. Advanced persistent threats, APTs, targeted attacks, and sophisticated malware require constant vigilance and adaptive defense mechanisms to detect and mitigate them effectively. Lastly, the shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals poses a significant challenge for the manufacturers. The demand for expertise in the industrial cybersecurity surpasses the current supply, making it challenging to build and maintain robust cybersecurity teams. Bridging this skills gap and ensuring access to qualified professionals becomes crucial for effective cybersecurity management. These are the top 7 major cybersecurity challenges that manufacturers face in the era of industrial manufacturing digitization. Overcoming these obstacles demands a comprehensive approach encompassing robust security measures, ongoing risk assessments, employee awareness and training, proactive threat intelligence, and strategic partnerships to fill the skills gap. So, what are these strategies? Let's take a quick look and uncover the key solutions to these pressing cybersecurity challenges. Implement strong access controls. Enforce robust user authentication, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access controls to limit unauthorized entry into your digital infrastructure. Conduct regular employee training. Educate your workforce on cybersecurity best practices, including recognizing phishing attempts, using strong passwords, and prioritizing data privacy. Perform regular risk assessments. Continuously assess and identify potential vulnerabilities in your systems, processes, and networks to proactively address security gaps. Employ robust network segmentation. Segment your networks to isolate critical systems, preventing the lateral movement of attackers and minimizing the impact of potential breach. Collaborate with industry partners. Foster strategic partnerships with cybersecurity experts, exchanging threat intelligence to proactively stay ahead of the emerging risks and benefit from the specialized knowledge. Ensuring compliance with NIST Cybersecurity Framework, IEC 62443 and GDPR. Align your cybersecurity practices with these regulations to safeguard sensitive data, establish robust security, control, and protect against cyber threats. In essence, embracing these cybersecurity best practices is invaluable for the industrial manufacturers seeking to safeguard their operations in the digital age. Manufacturers can strengthen their defenses by proactively adopting these measures, continuously educating themselves, fostering collaboration with the industry partners, and effectively mitigating risks. It's important to recognize that investing in cybersecurity today an investment in your business's long-term success and resilience. By staying informed, adapting to the evolving threats, and nurturing a culture of security, you can effectively protect your digital assets and ensure uninterrupted reliability for your operations. As we embrace the digital revolution's opportunities, robust cybersecurity measures become the catalyst for innovation, enhanced efficiency, sustainable growth in the industrial manufacturing sector. Together, let's shape a future where cybersecurity serves as not only a necessity but a solid foundation for achieving remarkable success.